So you buy yourself a shiny new product, whether that's a cool new gizmo or a big gleaming tractor. You're very happy, but a few weeks or months later it breaks. You're left with two options: try to fix it yourself or find someone to do it for you. But what if the company that made that product took those options away from you, so you had to pay that company or one it approves to fix it for you? That's exactly what is happening and why people are fighting for the right to repair. Companies argue that they want to protect their IP, so they don't want to detail the designs in repair manuals. They cite customer safety and proprietary software. However, one big reason behind it may be profitability, earning off a customer multiple times instead of just their initial purchase, and they will take the hit over their customer's convenience. They achieve this in a myriad of ways, from clauses in purchase contracts, voiding warranties, and using glue and proprietary screws to keep you coming back to them. So what can be done? Thanks to campaigners like Louis Rossmans, governments across the world are starting to take note. In the EU, this summer new rules come into force to make some products last longer and be more repairable. In the US, half of all states have right to repair legislation in progress, and although often limited to just one industry, experts say the first bill to pass and be upheld could create a landslide of others.